4th of July is right around the corner, and I want to share with you guys some tips on how to optimize your property to not just make the most amount of revenue during that week, but also how to provide the best experience for your guest. Before we jump right in, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The first one is to decorate your property with patriotic colors using the red, the white, and the blue. You could even include things like flags and even banners just to create an atmosphere of 4th of July. Number 2 is to offer outdoor amenities. If you already don't have a barbecue grill, it is going to be a must. Just think about it. Every family during 4th of July, for the most part, likes to do a barbecue, so make sure you get yourself a grill. Number 3 is stock up on additional supplies. The reality is you may attract a large group, so make sure you have extra pillows, extra linens, extra bed sheets, extra blankets, and even additional supplies such as replenishables like your shampoo, body wash, conditioner. Just anticipate that there will be more people than usual. Next is to provide any additional experiences that are happening in your neighborhood. For example, in the city that I live, they're actually going to do a fireworks show and they're going to close off the streets. This way it makes it very safe for families and kids to be walking all over the place. And if I was hosting in my area, I would let people know about that event. So whatever events are going on in your area, do a little bit of research, put together a little digital pamphlet and send it to your guests before their arrival so they can plan ahead. Next is to create a welcome basket with patriotic themed snacks and drinks. I think this will be a great element of surprise, and anytime we've done and implemented this element of surprise where they're not expecting these snacks or a bottle of wine if it's an anniversary, we always get a 5-star review. If you guys are enjoying this themed video, please make sure you guys like this video because it does help the video get in front of more people. Appreciate that in advance. The next thing is to update your description 3 to 4 weeks before 4th of July. Let them know what types of amenities, like if you have a pool, a jacuzzi, a game room, a barbecue grill, a fire pit, just any amenities that is going to help and enhance the experience of your guests during the 4th of July week. Make sure those things are listed in the description, and feel free to use a tool like ChatGPT and ask it to give you a thorough description of your amenities and to expand on those amenities and the details of them for that description for 4th of July. ChatGPT is an incredible tool. And finally, my recommendation would be to increase your pricing during the 4th of July week and weekend, because it is a very popular time to be traveling in order to visit family and friends. And I believe this is going to be an opportunity to increase your price by 20 to 40% of what your normal average daily rate is. And if you want to make it easier, you can just connect Beyond Pricing or Price Labs, and this way it can adjust your pricing based on supply and demand. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this 4th of July video. Make sure you guys like if you haven't already, and also check out my Instagram where I post content every single day. Check out one of my other videos here before you guys go anywhere, and I'll see you guys on the next one.